After I adding this fertilizer, how to make the compost. This is the soil digging hole that I have ditched last year, and then I store the waste vegetable waste from the kitchen. So I store every day in this hole, and now become a fertilizer. So now I got the fertilizer. I need to collect this to dry and then keep in the dry place. We can use all the plant. So this is the organic fertilizer. All the veggie from the kitchen I store in this place and keep more than 6 months. So all this will become a fertilizer. So now I start to collect from this area to dry in the and keep in the dry place for general use on my gardening. So I need to collect like this. So this we call organic fertilizer. So after collecting, I got 2 buckets. So now it's 2 full buckets. Start to use a plastic pen. For drying my fertilizer. This is the pen. So I start to dry this. I will dry this wet fertilizer to dry. So if we don't dry it, we cannot use on the plant. It will be die or will be not useful for plant when it wet. So there is a lot of bacteria in this. So we need to dry it to kill all bacteria and all insects. So after dry for 2 days, now my fertilizer, or we can say it's a compost. This is the compost. So now it dry. I need to collect it and store into the dry place, and I can use on my plant. So I start to collect. So this compost or fertilizer, so I got from the chicken waste. So all the VG and waste from the kitchen, so I store in one place. Day by day, and keep after 6 months. It will become a fertilizer. Collecting into the bucket. So now this is organic fertilizer, so I can use to my plant in the garden, any plant. The dry compost from the kitchen, this dry compost that I have made from the kitchen, so I dry in and keep in the dry place. Now I can use on the corn, sweet corn plant. So this is my sweet corn, and after ditching the soil and removing the grass out, so I can use like this on the plant. Like this. So very useful for the plant that we know how to care. And this sweet corn will be have the flower soon. Like this. Like this. So these cucumbers start to have flower and they have good health. I hope they have a lot of flower and fruit soon. So I need to add some compost. This is organic compost. Now it's ready. So I would like to show my cucumber have a lot of flower here. So and have fruit here. Here the fruit. After I adding this fertilizer, I hope my cucumber have a lot of fruit, more and more. So I will update after my cucumber harvesting. After adding the compost, so I watering on my cucumber plant. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe for more updates.